Hi, I'm Abni Jagdisha. I'm from IVP Semiconductor. So IVP Semiconductor is a fabless semiconductor company. We're one of India's first fabless semiconductor companies. We have about three divisions from us. So one is the discretes. We're into power semiconductors specifically, which like your MOSFETs, DC-DCs, and LDOs. And we also have another division which is into integrated power systems like your traction inverter, SSR, DC-DC converters, and other high power intelligent systems. So what we have here is actually more a visual representation of all our systems working together. So we have our bidirectional solid state relay. It's actually one of a kind, high power solid state relay. We're trying to replace the mechanical contactors in very high power systems. We also have a DC-DC converter, which is like your buck and boost converter. And then we have a traction inverter or a motor controller. And we've also built like a display cluster and a VCU. So these are all like the core electronics which you might need to I think make your systems work. And I think this is more so like a proof of concept to see all our systems working together. Apart from that, we also have a connectivity series, where we have a 4G LTE Cat1 BIS module, and we have a 4G plus GNSS module. We have a Wi-Fi Bluetooth module and a Wi-Fi standalone module, and our roadmap is growing bigger. So we're like a vertically integrated company, from the device design, like your MOSFET's device design, to actually making these. Right now we're taking this wafers from Taiwan, and we're packaging it with a partner company in Malaysia, and we're selling these MOSFETs. We're actually collaborating with a lot of IITs and NITs for our device design, and all the other integrated power systems are here, designed and manufactured in-house here in Bangalore.